A new diplomatic firestorm is brewing over the Holy Land. Not with tanks rolling, not with fighter jets roaring, but with powerful words, strong warnings, and global powers stepping into one of the world's most sensitive conflicts. This time, the strong reaction has come from China, and the target of that reaction is Israel. The spark? A controversial security decision. Well, Israeli leadership has approved new measures, tightening its control over parts of the West Bank. Supporters described it as a security step. Critics call it expansion, and opponents fear that it could change the political future of that region. In fact, Beijing responded and it did not hold back either. At an official briefing in Beijing, Chinese Foreign Minister spokesperson Lin Jian he delivered a firm message. He said attempts of annex Palestinian land are unacceptable. In fact, his words they were direct, his tone was serious, and his message was aimed not just at Israel but at the international community watching closely. Well, China made its position crystal clear here. According to Lin Jian, both the Gaza Strip and the West Bank are inseparable parts of Palestine. Not disputed, not negotiable, not open for unilateral control, a statement that aligns with Beijing's long-standing diplomatic stance, but arrives at a time when tensions are already dangerously high. And this matters. You know why? Because the ground tensions, they are extremely fragile right now. Gaza has already witnessed devastating conflict cycles. The West Bank has seen rising unrest and security operations, and any shift in territorial control can ignite widespread anger, fear, protest, and possible violence. Well, China is also pushing for one key solution: a two-step formula. A separate Israeli state, a separate Palestinian state, living side by side, by the way. Now, this is an idea supported by many global powers, but decades of negotiations, warships, and mistrust has kept that dream out of reach. Lin Jian also delivered a strong warning here. He said settlement expansion and annexation attempts weaken the very foundation of peace talks. In simple words, every new settlement, every territorial shift makes future negotiations harder and trust even weaker. And you know what is the biggest fear here? Escalation, because territorial disputes in this region rarely stays limited to maps or borders. They spill into the streets, into international diplomacy, into military confrontation, and sometimes they pull global powers like the US and China in opposite camps. Right now, the global stage is watching closely. Israel insists its security concerns are real. Palestinians fear losing land and political rights. China is urging restraint and negotiations. And multiple other nations are quietly taking sides and preparing their own diplomatic responses.